Today, we're going to make Vietnamese spring rolls. They're very similar to the Chinese ones, but they use rice paper on the outside.
Also served with a very delicious dipping sauce. It is savory, it is spicy, it is refreshing. It's gonna be so good.
To prepare the glass noodles, rehydrate them in warm water for about 30 minutes. Drain and cut into 1.5 inch long. I'm using fresh wood ear mushrooms today, but you can also use the dry ones. Chop the wood ear mushrooms. Julienne the carrot. Mince the shallot. Mince the garlic. It is best to use bird's eye chilies, but I couldn't find those, so I replaced them with finger hot pepper instead. This is peeled and deveined shrimp. Mince the shrimp. To make the dipping sauce, in a bowl, add the hot water and sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. And we're gonna mix in fish sauce, lime juice, 2 cloves of garlic, and finger hot pepper. To make the filling in a large mixing bowl, combine the pork, shrimp, glass noodles, wood ear mushrooms, carrot, bean sprouts, shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, fish sauce, and egg. And we're gonna mix well. In a bowl of water, add the rice vinegar. This is gonna help the spring rolls to brown better while deep frying. On a flat working surface, place the rice paper on it. And we're gonna brush water on both sides of the rice paper until softened but not overly wet. The frying oil will splatter everywhere if the rice paper has too much moisture on it. Place about 2.5 tablespoons of the filling by the bottom corner. Fold up the bottom. Fold the sides of the rice paper toward the center. And roll it up all the way. And repeat. In a pan over high heat, add the extra light olive oil. You can also use any other high smoking point oil that you like. And heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place in the spring rolls a few at a time. Just make sure that they don't touch each other because at this point they're super sticky. Fry for about 5 minutes until golden brown, and we're gonna flip them for a few times. Now we're gonna remove the spring rolls. Heat up the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the spring rolls and fry until super crispy for a minute or 2. Double frying makes the spring rolls super crispy and not greasy. Take them out and drain on a paper towel lined with plate.
This is absolutely delicious. If you like something crunchy, you gotta try today's recipe because every bite brings you this extra crunchiness. It's just so crispy, and also the filling inside gives you lots of surprises. Like every bite you're like, ooh, wow. It's just so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode, and if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!